G'day everyone, Shane here from Fanmaster Australia. Winter is just around the corner. So today I'm sharing some quick but essential tips to make sure your diesel heater is ready to go when you need it most. Let's start with why maintaining your fuel system is so important. Diesel fuel contains wax, and while that wax helps with combustion, it can also cause issues when the temperature drops. When it gets cold, that wax starts to crystallize, which can block your fuel lines, filters, or nozzle. If your unit's struggling to start, or not starting at all, and you're seeing a cloudy white or yellow buildup in the fuel, you've likely got a waxing issue. Now, what to do if you have a blockage? First things first, make sure your heater is turned off and unplugged before doing any maintenance. Here's how to check your fuel line and filter. First, remove the top cover. There are 10 screws. Take off the side cover, not on the switch side. Unclip the fuel line from the adapter plate and fuel filter. Then check the line for cracks or signs of wax buildup and replace if needed. Pull the fuel filter out of the tank and make sure it's clean and clear. Reassemble by reversing those steps. Next, the airline. You do the same as before. Remove the top and side covers. Take off the rear grille. Unclip the airline from the motor and adapter plate and inspect for cracks or wear. Replace if needed. Then you reassemble the unit in reverse. Lastly, let's check the magic eye sensor, which is what detects the ignition. Firstly, remove the top cover again. Gently pull out the sensor next to the spark plug. Then, using a soft cloth, tissue, or cotton bud to wipe it clean, reassemble and you're good to go. If those steps don't resolve the issue, or if you're unsure whether it's a diesel blockage or something else entirely, we recommend taking your heater to a qualified service technician for further inspection. It's important to note that any electrical work must be carried out by a licensed professional. Electrical components should never be removed or serviced by the end user. Your safety always comes first. Once you're up and running again, here are some simple tips to prevent blockages in the future. First, clean parts with diesel or kerosene, not water. If you do use water, make sure everything is completely dry before reinstalling. Store your heater indoors when not in use and cover it with a tarp or blanket once it's cool. In colder climates like alpine or inland regions, consider a diesel kerosene blend to lower the cloud point and reduce waxing. For more information, including the recommended kerosene to diesel mix ratios and other helpful maintenance tips, head to the resources page at www.fanmaster.com.au. Hopefully that helps keep your diesel heater running safely and smoothly this winter. So next time you think Fanmaster, remember, we're more than fans, we're the experts in heating, cooling and ventilation.